Welcome to our guide on using OBS for streaming. OBS Studio is a powerful open-source software that allows you to broadcast your content live. Whether you're gaming, sharing presentations, or hosting events, OBS is a versatile tool that can elevate your streaming experience. Before we dive in, let's check your system requirements. OBS needs a compatible operating system, a suitable processor, and adequate RAM for optimal performance. Now, let's go through the installation process. First, head to the official OBS website, download the software for your OS, and follow the prompt to install it on your machine. Once installed, configuring the settings is crucial. Adjust your video resolution, bitrate, and audio sources to suit your streaming needs. Next, let's create your first scene. You can add sources like game capture, your webcam, and images to bring your stream to life. Audio is key for engagement. Use the audio mixer to adjust levels and add filters for clearer sound, enhancing the viewer's experience. To start streaming, connect OBS to your preferred platform, such as Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, by entering your stream key in the settings. You're almost there. When you're ready, hit the Start Streaming button and go live. Remember to engage with your audience from the get-go. If you encounter issues such as dropped frames or audio sync problems, check your settings and make sure your internet connection is stable. Thanks for watching. We covered how to set up OBS for streaming. For further help and tutorials, check out the links in the description below.